All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, buying the coin, trading the coin, all kinds of information. Also using that credit card from BlockFi to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. What's going on with AMP? The positioning of the coin is in a good position. So we're going to talk about it going up. Where is it at? What's going on with it? All kinds of big news with AMP. Also, we're going to be talking about Tom Brady with this cryptocurrency and the football, the 600 touchdown, and how he's giving a Bitcoin, not cash, not anything else, but a cryptocurrency. He's giving a Bitcoin to the fan, one Bitcoin for giving the football back and all kinds of other things. Isn't it crazy that Tom Brady, that I've been talking about for weeks and weeks, is now giving Bitcoins to fans? So we're going to kind of dig into that. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand it. How does it work? Do you want to get into it? At least being able to be educated to understand it and what you can do with it. So, hey, don't forget that Burger King in Brazil is doing the dog purrs, that you can actually get dog purrs for your dog paying in Dogecoin. All kinds of crazy stuff. So, with that, let's go ahead and head over to AMP token. Over here at Coin Market, take a look at AMP. It's the 60th cryptocurrency right now on the planet. It's traded at about 4.5 cents. It's interesting. In the last 7 days, the coin is down 5.5%. But in the last 24 hours, the coin is up almost 5%. So it's kind of a wash. So AMP is making its way back up in the last 24 hours, which is fantastic. I hope you all got the reposition when it was down and stuff. Let's go ahead and click it and see what's going on with AMP. So a couple things again in the last 24 hours. Take a look, everybody, up 5.22%. The circulation over here is at 46%. 42 billion amps are in circulation. The max total supply is 99 billion. So 46% of the circulation is in circulation. Taking a look here at the map here, or I should say the chart, AMP was up, it kind of went back down, and bam, it bounced back up. So AMP is back on the bounce up real quick. For all of our fans that don't know what AMP token is, what is AMP token? Well, AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant variable assurance for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly secure transactions for widely variety assets, uses, and cases. How does AMP work? Well, AMP claims to offer straightforward interface of variable collateral through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers. Say that real quick 5 times. When collateral partitions can be designed to collateralize any account, applications and transactions can carry balances which directly verify on the Ethereum blockchain. The blockchain. Okay, collateral managers are smart contracts that can be locked, released, and redirected collateral into the partitions also needed in order to support value transaction activities. AMP supports a wide variety of uses for collateral, also introducing concepts. So what does all that mean? Here's what it means. The brick and mortar merchant wants to accept cryptocurrency. There's some problems. One, the time it takes. Just because you send your friend cryptocurrency and it shows up in their wallet in like 3 or 4 seconds, and I know you see it, but guess what? It takes 30 minutes, 2 hours to confirm the transaction that the money's there. One of the big things is the time it takes. Merchants don't want to have a double spend going off, that the person pays $50 and it looks like it's in their account, and when they're out of the store, then they get notified like, oh, guess what? Double spend. You just gave $50 in merchandise and the guy's gone. So the merchant doesn't want you to leave until it's confirmed. That's the first big thing. AMP token and the Flexa network is going to make that possible. They use the Spenda app to make it a lot easier. Okay, next thing. What about the gas fees? I mean, you buy $30 in groceries, or let's say you buy $50 in groceries and the gas fee is $20. Come on, people aren't going to do that. They're not going to use cryptocurrency. So all these things kind of have to happen. AMP is one of these tokens that is going to change the way the world uses cryptocurrency with Flexa and the way the whole thing works. Let's go ahead and jump over to some more information. Over here at the AMP website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like ZEC with instant variable assurance for any real applications. If you go to the website, it's actually going around in a circle here, and it's hidden each coin just as an example. This next coin is Ethereum. So they're talking about ETH. Pretty cool information. So how do you use the AMP? You stake it, you send it, and you repeat. Well, let's talk about the staking. Right here on the staking, AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing assets transfers. By staking AMP, any form value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency, exchange, loan distribution, property sales, and more. So that's pretty big. When you send it, once staked to a portion, AMP is ready to collateralize a transfer. With the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of the asset transfer, especially suitable for fraud-proof networks and real-world application. Do you see why the merchant likes this? There's no way the merchant can ever lose $1 using the AMP and the Flexa. Also, when the merchant uses the Visas and the credit card processing, they usually charge about 3%, give or take. Cryptocurrency and Flexa, they're only charging 1%. Walmart itself, I think they were charged $5 billion in transaction fees. If 1 in 3 is 1/3, if a company can cut their transaction fees by by 2/3 by using cryptocurrency and AMP token, are you starting to see it? Of course you're starting to see it. Everybody's talking about cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and jump over to Tom Brady. So right here, Tom Brady says he gave the Buccaneers a Bitcoin, to repay him for giving up the football for the 600th career touchdown. What? A fan got a Bitcoin? What happened here? Well, there's Tom Brady. I've been talking about Tom for, I don't know, a month now, talking about how he's going to be talking about cryptocurrency, how he's going to be on the channel, how he's going to tell everybody about it. Well, now he's giving fans Bitcoins. Let's hear about this. Well, guess what? Brandon Kennedy is now something a local legend in Tampa after the weekend, giving back the ball to Tom Brady. Tom threw his 600th career touchdown pass. The Buccaneers have reported agreeing to give Kennedy, 29, a package including season tickets, an autographed memorabilia, in exchange for the ball he originally caught from the celebrity Mike Evans. So Mike Evans caught the touchdown. He threw it into the stands. The fan caught it. But Brady insisted on Monday Night Football with Peyton Manning and Eli Manning that he's chipping in by gifting Kennedy a Bitcoin. That's right. Tom Brady is gifting a Bitcoin. You guys know Bitcoin's around 60,000, 64,000, 58,000, depending. So think about this fan. He goes to the game. He has the time of his life. He gets to watch Tom Brady throw his 600th career touchdown. Mike Evans catches it. He throws it in the stands. He catches it. They give him season tickets and all this other stuff. And now on Monday Night Football, Tom Brady says, you know what? We're going to have FTX and we're going to go ahead and give him a Bitcoin. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good on the network. Everybody hearing about Bitcoin, getting it. So yeah, everybody, we're in the right place at the right time. We're going to go ahead and play Tom Brady's commercial right now.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. How dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who's that?
That was my mom.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin? Sue, Mark.
Are you in?
I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in. All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just getting out of the dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
We're providing gives 360-degree access to the crypto markets with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
Well, there you go. Tom Brady talking about what he's getting into. He's getting into cryptocurrency. Guess what? He's giving Bitcoin to fans in the stadium. FTX. There's all kinds of good things. There's going to be information I'm going to be bringing in a couple of days about Gronkowski, the tight end, too. There's more to come. So I don't want to give it all away at one time. But all I'm going to tell y'all is, since everybody on this channel is into cryptocurrency, you got people like Elon Musk, you got Mark Cuban, now you got Tom Brady. And I don't ever think that Elon Musk or Mark Cuban gave away a Bitcoin in their thing. So this may be the biggest thing ever. So you got celebrities talking about cryptocurrency. It's here to stay, everybody. Let's go ahead and jump back over to AMP token. Again, over here at the website, after you send it, then you get the repeat. Also, simplified work reward distribution. Once a transaction is complete, the AMP starts a contract offers a variety of built-in incentive models, including micro distributions and continuous compounding. All kinds of good stuff here with AMP token. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for the users with smart contract features, purposes built for collateral, nothing more, nothing less. And then here's something easy. Collateral as a service. AMP Collateralize is tested, audited, and freely available for anyone to use. It's easy to build up AMP and unlock the AMP and demand the secure transfer, enabling lenders and make value more quickly. So super awesome stuff going on. With that, I want to jump over to something that I think is gigantic. Take a look at this. Sheetz gas stations and Sheetz convenience stores. Sheetz becomes the first convenience store to accept Bitcoin. Sheetz partnered with who? Flexa. Who created the AMP token? Flexa. That's right. And it says right here, the Sheetz, a major mid-Atlantic restaurant convenience chain, today announced, this is a few months ago, but again, this is gigantic information, that they're going to be accepting digital payment network to provide consumers with the ability to pay for items inside the store and fill up their cars, trucks, RVs at the pump using, wait a second, hold it, digital cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and more. Now, how many of these gas stations and stores do they have? Yeah, let's take a look, everybody. 622 of them. And where are they located? Well, they're located in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Maryland. Sheetz. Sheetz will also offer the option to link their MySheetz reward loyalty account when paying with the Flexa app. And then look at what this says right here. With interest in digital currency reaching an all-time high, it's easy to lose. Let's say that again. Reaching an all-time high. We're all in the right place at the right time. Being on this channel, hearing about cryptocurrency and all kinds of things. Tom Brady giving Bitcoins out and articles talking about cryptocurrency reaching an all-time high. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We were talking the other day about Amazon thinking about bringing AMP token in. We were talking about Walmart thinking about AMP token articles. Gigantic companies entertaining the idea of AMP token. We got our new shirt, AMP token, on right now. There's all kinds of things going on with AMP, everybody. And I like this last thing here. We're absolutely, that Flexa can help us become the first convenient and retail chain to accept digital cryptocurrency directly at the pump. Come on, everybody. This is some awesome stuff going on. With that, I want to jump over to Robinhood real quick just to give an update on a couple coins. We got Bitcoin right here at 61,000. Yeah, Bitcoin's over the 61,000 right now. Take a look at Ethereum, over 4,000. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's not over 4. It's at 43.68. Ethereum is going bonkers. Where was it 3 months ago, everybody? Click the 3. Take a look. 2,400. Where is it at now? 4,400 almost. That's a big increase right there. So with that, Tom Brady's going to tell everybody about cryptocurrency. AMP token is getting entertained with Walmart and Amazon. AMP token's at a good position, 4.5%, 4.7%. What's my price prediction? My price prediction, I think it's going to, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. I think it's going to go right up to that 12 cents like it was in June. Once one of these big things happen, it's just going to go to the moon, as they like to say. So all kinds of other people think it's going to go to 10 cents to 30 cents. People say it's going to go to $3 to $5 in a couple years from now. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget that every single Monday through Friday we bring you a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays we bring you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock. Once in a while we bring you a video at 6 or 7 o'clock as a bonus video if something pops real good, and we want you to know about that. So thank you, Tom Brady, telling everybody about cryptocurrency, Eli Musk and Mark Cuban, all the celebrities that want to pump it and pump the cryptocurrency. We appreciate it. We love being in it. Definitely, let's stay tuned. Have a great day today, everybody.